Hello, everybody. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about creating possibilities instead of problems. So, really, what is a problem? A problem is a barrier or perceived barrier, and to create a problem, you almost have to have an emotion behind it. It's kind of an energy of stuckness. And how many problems do we create throughout the day? For example, let's say you wanted to buy a cup of coffee and you look into your purse and you have no money. So, you say, that's a problem. I can't get a cup of coffee. Or you're at work and the schedule is really busy and you don't think you have enough time to get everything done. So you say, I have got a problem. I just don't have enough time to do everything. Or your washing machine breaks down when you're trying to do your laundry. That's a problem. I can't do my laundry. So how many times throughout the day are we creating those problems? We make a conclusion that we have this barrier in front of us, where instead we could just ask the question and change the energy of what we're creating. Instead of concluding that you have a problem, this perceived barrier, why don't you ask, if I weren't making this a problem here, what other possibilities could I create? If I weren't making this a problem here, what could I actualize? By doing this, by asking that question, you're changing the energy of the whole picture. You're opening yourself up to other possibilities. So what may come from there? Maybe you think of some ideas of where you could create money to get that cup of coffee. Or maybe you could come up with ideas of how you could wash your clothes in the sink or take it to the laundromat. Or maybe at work, you may come up with the idea that time is irrelevant. It's not a thing that will stop me. If I just work, I might find I can get everything done. So where are you making problems in your day where you could just ask, if I weren't making this a problem, what possibilities could I create?